Bullish IOTEX cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 10 cents and 23 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept IOTX could reach 10 cents by 2025. Bearish IOTEX market cost expectation for 2022 is 1 cent. IOTEX presentation. IOTEX, in the same way as other crypto projects that held such a lot of commitment in the past, encountered a downtrend in June 2022. As innovation develops lately, the need to make a convergence between the advanced world and the actual world increments. Be that as it may, because of the exceptionally adaptable nature of innovation in the web, rivalry in this specific area increments. The fight becomes who can present and market preferred as a rule over which task can be more proficient. That is the reason many accept that IOTX's victories are simply publicity, and that their utilization case isn't as flexible and very much coordinated into the world they're attempting to address. We have gone through every one of the signs that could validate these declarations are bogus. Is IOTX as advanced as they present to us, or is it won't get by over the long haul? Is it a wise speculation as long as possible? How substantial is their future guide, and what are the cost figures for the token? What is IOTEX, the coin for the machine economy? IOTEX is the protection-driven and decentralized blockchain network that is pushing the account of individual information control and democratization, gadget robotization, and reconciliation of the computerized network, metaverse, and the actual world. They're constructing a framework that permits the communication of machines and market members while creating more straightforward and quicker strategies for security conservation and front-running the appearance of Blockchain 3.0. IOTX is the local badge of the IOTEX network that was made on the possibility of information security and control. One of the many issues of the web is that following of data is widespread, which numerous people view as a break of their security and control. IOTX is set to act as a stage that gives the clients a command over the inflow and surge of information from their gadget. This implies that they're permitted to control what befalls their own data while gaining by it. The group behind the formation of this innovation is profoundly talented and flexible in machine and wise learning, circulated frameworks, gadget mechanization, and designing. It was established by Roland Chai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. This is to demonstrate that albeit the instruments of the symbolic activity are intricate, the role-designated proof-of-stake agreement component utilized by tokens like Particle, VET, HNT, and so on, that the group is capable to deal with the convention. By and by, the top digital money trades for IOTX are Binance, Upbit, XTheta Worldwide, LBank, Huobi Worldwide, Hucoin, HBTC, and MEXC. IOTEX noteworthy cost. The IOTX token was sent off through an ICO on the 14th of February 2018 for 1 cent per coin to financial backers. By the start of 2021, IOTX was exchanging at $0, prior to revitalizing to a high of 26 cents in November 2021 and shutting the year at 12 cents. IOTEX current cost. IOTEX is at present worth 2 cents USD. IOTX has moved 2.61% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,086,147. IOTEX is at present positioned 519 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $222,609,538 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for IOTEX to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous IOTEX market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. IOTEX value expectation 2022. IOTEX, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The IOTX cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 3 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 3 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. IOTX is supposed to have a base worth of 2 cents. IOTEX value forecast 2023. In 2023, IOTEX cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of IOTX will before long outperform 5 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the IOTX's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, IOTX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 4 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 5 cents. IOTX value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 8 cents and IOTX might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. IOTX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 7 cents and a low of 7 cents in 2024. IOTX value forecast 2025. Assuming that IOTX effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the IOTX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, IOTX will be green in 2025. The IOTX is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 10 cents, with a base cost of 9 cents and a typical cost of 9 cents. IOTX value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the IOTX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 12 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 11 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, IOTX has a greatest value worth of 13 cents. IOTX value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 14 cents. On the off chance that IOTX figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 15 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help IOTX needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 14 cents. IOTX value forecast 2028. While IOTX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 16 cents and a yearly cost close above 17 cents in 2028. IOTX value expectation 2029. By 2029, IOTX will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 18 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 20 cents, averaging out at 19 cents. IOTX value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest IOTX cost in 2030 is projected to be 23 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 22 cents. What is the IOTX cost today? Today, IOTX is exchanging at 2 cents with a complete market capitalization of $222,609,538. Is IOTX a wise venture? IOTX ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that IOTX is a decent decision of venture. The typical cost of IOTX might perhaps reach 3 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that IOTX might outperform 15 cents. What amount will IOTX be worth in 5